Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Known as tabua in Fiji, the act of giving a whale's tooth is the most respected act for showing your love to someone. Man with tree bark skin disease. What a modern battleship looks like without water surrounding it. A man and his dog invented Velcro. Meet the icon of the seas, the world's biggest cruise ship. Third President of the United States, Thomas Jefferson, invented the swivel chair. He sat on the first one while writing much of the Declaration of Independence. Underneath the oceans, there are types of water with a higher density than the water we have access to. The first stethoscope was made out of wooden tube. Guinness World Records charges anywhere from $12,000 to over half a million for a full service event. There were three young birds in the Nestle nest. They became two instead of three to reflect the average modern family of two children. World's first Avon lady was a man. Bituria is the term used for when your pee goes purple after eating too much beetroot. More than 12,000 laptops go missing at US airport a week. At just 0.31 inches long, the Pedocypris progenetica is the smallest fish in the world. Parrots have the power of reason. In total, the first 30 movies directed by Steven Spielberg ranked in over $4 billion domestically. Every year, there are close to 900 million lipsticks sold worldwide. Men are dyeing their hair and beards in bright shades purple, blue, green, and pink. It's called the Moorman trend. Potato is the world's fourth most produced staple after wheat, corn, and rice. Alcohol stifles reasoning skills and contemplating repercussions. As a result, people are more likely to tell the truth while intoxicated, offering up brutally honest, unfiltered opinions. It is 9,982 calories. This burger holds the Guinness World Record of being the most calorific burger in the entire world. More than 56 million hours of music is streamed daily. It takes more than 5 billion lights to light up the Eiffel Tower. PUBG set a record for the most online player at once playing the game. Babur wrote Tuzuk-i Baburi in Turkish language. Currently, the world's longest flight is the 9,585-mile route between New York City and Singapore, operated by Singapore Airlines with a flying time of 18.5 hours. A single Lego brick can hold the weight of about 375,000 other bricks, theoretically enabling the construction of a tower almost 3.5 kilometers tall. The Gomez family from Mexico is affected by an extremely rare genetic condition called congenital generalized hypertrichosis. It was discovered that the condition is primarily associated with the X chromosome. The colossal snake fossilized remains suggest lengths between 10.9 and 15.2 meters, surpassing even the largest modern snakes. This discovery sheds light on the evolution of large body sizes, possibly influenced by high temperatures in the tropical zones of that era. Hot Dr. Pepper, a quirky drink from the 1960s, involves heating the soda to 180 degrees and serving it with a thin lemon slice. This warm sweet drink started as corporate ploy to boost winter sales but remains a nostalgic retro favorite. In automatic car washes, the basic wash is just as good as the Dulux one. Those three color soaps in the Dulux are just gimmicks, a ploy designed to get you to pay more for the same thing, all the actual cleaning of the car in the regular soaps, which is included in every package. The term scientist did not exist until 1834 when it was coined by William Bevel, a Cambridge University historian and philosopher of science. He aimed to create a unifying term that would accurately describe people engaged in various scientific fields. Almost all US avocados descended from the same tree. In 1925, Rudolph bought avocado seeds hoping to get rich but accidentally grew a stubborn plant that did not graft the way his other trees did. The UK's approach is thought to have been inspired by a policy in New Zealand. The country's previous government planned to ban anyone born after 2008 from buying cigarettes or tobacco products in their lifetime. Top 5 greatest WWE WWF superstars of all time. Ric Flair, Hulk Hogan, The Rock, Shawn Michaels, Stone Cold, Thanks for watching.